guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're doing the burping challenge once again. If you guys like this series, make sure to click a like on the subscription for more of these videos. And today me and Anna are going to do the burping challenge. Rachel that she wants to. I said you had to one tab in a row, but she didn't listen. So yeah, today we're doing the burpee challenge. So let's go to Nana. Let's go to Nana.
You're so bad.
Nana, how we doing the burpee challenge?
Here,
We
get
do
this.
Yeah, we just got Nana, me and you doing this burpee challenge, aren't we? Whoa! Today we're doing the burpee challenge, aren't we? Nana, aren't we doing the burpee challenge? Nana, we're doing the burpee challenge, aren't we? We're doing the burpee challenge, aren't we? Okay, Nana. Today I'm going first. Okay. Guys, if you can't see me so bad, I can't help it. Nana, can you see me through this? Okay. So Nana can see me through this, so if you can. So today I'm going to do the first burp. I'm going to have my preference. And 1, 2, 3. Guess it was my burp. Let's go to Nana burp. Nana, it's your turn to do the burp. Nana, do your burp. Drink a soda or something. Nana, drink a soda. Drink a soda.
That's all I do.
Fine. That was Nana's burp. That was Nana's lame burp. And yeah, tell us in the comments below on who won. It was probably me, guys. I probably won all the burping challenges so far. Well, maybe Mr. Han won that first challenge. But next time we're gonna do Papa in the burping challenge. And then I'll tell you who's next in the next video. Bye. Goodbye. And